Okay, so today, during math class, we're going to be finding the parts of 17, 18, and 19. Again, when we're finding the parts of a number, we are decomposing a number. To decompose means to break into two parts. First, we're going to watch a video.
Alex has a cube tower. How many cubes high is his cube tower? Alex's cube tower is 17 cubes high. Alex breaks apart the cube tower into two groups. How many blue cubes are there? How many red cubes are there? There are 10.
Okay, so there are 10 blue cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 7 red cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Blue cubes. There are 7 red cubes.
Okay, let's try it.
Drag the cubes into the 10 frames. Start by filling the top 10 frame with blue cubes.
Okay, so today, instead of dragging counters into our 10 frames, we're going to be dragging the cubes. So just like when we dragged the counters yesterday, we're going to be using the same method to drag the cubes. So I'm going to start by putting the blue cubes in the top 10 frame. And I'm always going to start on the top left, work my way right, and then go down and fill the next row, just like if I was reading. And as you can see, when I'm putting a cube in, it's being counted on the bottom. So you could see the number is changing as I'm filling my frame. Okay, so I did the blue cubes. And since the frame is full, we have 10 cubes in the frame. Now we're going to put the red cubes in the bottom frame. Again, I'm starting at the top left. I'm always working my way right. I'm never skipping spaces. And then when I'm done with the top row, I start the next row. Okay, so it looks like the top 10 frame has 10 cubes, and the bottom 10 frame has 7 cubes.
Alex put the cubes in a double 10 frame. How many cubes did he put in 10 frame? How many cubes did he put in the bottom 10 frame?
Okay, so the top 10 frame is full, so we know it has 10. The bottom 10 frame is not full, so it can't be 10. There are 7 cubes in the bottom 10 frame. We can always tell that the frame does not have 10 when there are extra spaces.
He put 10 cubes in the top 10 frame. He put 7 cubes in the bottom 10 frame. How many cubes are there in all? There are 17 cubes in all. Does this equation match the cubes?
Does this equation match the cubes? So they said that our sum was 17. So that's how many cubes we have in all. We can check and see if that's correct by using the counting on strategy. When we know that our 10 frame is full, we know that there are 10. So we don't actually have to start counting from 1. We can start counting on from 10, just like we do when we count the day of school. So let's start counting on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 cubes in all. The sum is 17. They're saying that there are 10 cubes in the top 10 frame, which is correct because this frame is full. And there are 7 in the bottom. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 17 equals 10 plus 7.
Yes, the equation matches the cubes. What does each number in the equation represent? 17 represents the number of cubes in all. 10 represents the number of cubes in the top 10 frame. 7 represents the number of cubes in the bottom 10 frame.
Now you know how to find parts of 17.
Okay, great job. Now today when you're doing your interactive workbook pages, you will be doing pages 597 to page 600. Please make sure that you read the questions at the bottom of the pages. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out.